Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Jenaline V. Batiao. I am 32 years old. I currently live in Barangay Marinig, Cabuyao City, Province of Laguna, Philippines. I am high school graduate year 2005 to 2006. I am married for 4 years. I am hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and responsible person. I have experience being domestic helper. First was in Qatar, year 2018 to 2020. I served for 6 person, the mom and sir, 3 kids, and the baby. Age 8 years old, 6 years old, 4 years old, and the 3 months baby. My main duty was cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the kids and the baby. Second was in Malaysia, year 2021 to 2024. I served for 6 person, the mom and sir, 3 kids, and the newborn baby. Age 6 years old, 5 years old, 2 years old, and the newborn. My main duty was cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, cooking, and taking care of the kids, especially if they school, and taking care of the newborn baby. To my future employer, mom and sir, if you choose me being a helper, I will promise that I do my job and responsibilities. I will serve your family as my own, and I will promise I finish my contract as long as you need me. I hope you'll see you, mom and sir. Thank you.